In Learning Objective B, I'm going to show you how to find the min and the maximum on a parabola. So first thing we want to do is go to the graphing calculator and type or click y equals and type in the equation. We're using the same one we found the x and y intercepts for. Now after you do that, you have two ways to graph it. You can either hit graph, but if your window is off, you probably want to reset the window. So to do that, you want to hit zoom. When you do, you'll get this screen over here. Zoom standard is number 6, and it resets your window to be from positive 10 to negative 10 on both the x and y axis. Here's what the graph looks like. Now you need to determine if it's a min or a maximum that you're finding. The vertex here of our parabola is the lowest point, so it's the minimum. So to find the minimum, what you're going to do is you're going to click on second calculate, or second the trace button. We're trying to hit that word calculate up there. So once you do that, you're going to have these options to calculate. Select the minimum and hit enter. When you do, you're going to see the cursor kind of bop on the graph. What you need to do is read the directions. They're asking you to be to the left of your vertex. So here's our vertex, so we need to be anywhere in this region, and it doesn't really matter where. So just be somewhere to the left of it and then click enter. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you to go to the right bound or the right of the vertex. So be anywhere in this region and click enter. After you do that, it's going to ask you if it should guess. You're going to notice it has this range right here that it's going to actually search from. So what the calculator is going to do is kind of move around this area and find the minimum lowest point. When you want it to guess, hit enter, and then the final answer will actually fall on the minimum point. It will give you the ordered pair right here for the x and the y. So you can write down that the minimum happens at about 0.75 and negative 3.125, which is right here, and that does seem logical for our graph. If you end up having a parabola when you sketch it that looks something like this, that parabola will have a maximum point. You're going to do the same thing. The only difference is after you graph it, you are going to do second calculate, and when you get to this screen, you're going to choose the maximum. It'll walk you through the same steps to do left bound, right bound, guess, and then it will kick out the answer for you.